Welcome to my channel Learn Islam.
Islamic General Knowledge Quiz.
What should you say before you start anything? Bismillah.
Number 2. What was Adam alayhi salam created from? Clay. Number 3. Pillars of Islam are also called Arkan al-Islam. Number 4. How many fard rakats do we pray in Salat al-Asr? 4. Number 5. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Muharram. Number 6. What is Salat? Praying. Number 7. Allah has. No partner. Number 8. What is the language of Quran? Arabic. Number 9. Who was the first prophet of Allah? Adam alayhi salam. Number 10. Which one is the opening surah of Quran? Al-Fatiha. Number 11. What is the meaning of an-nas? Tell me in the comment section. What is the meaning of an-nas? Thanks for watching.